So now let's talk about the global operation and balancing complexity and opportunity. So this means that when you're going global, what's the trade-off? What's the trade-off? So when a company expand across countries, it gets big benefits, but also face challenges. And these challenges we call as complexity and risk. And what are the benefits? We call them as scale and strategic advantage. So let's start from here. Coordination load, which means the coordination stress. So there's different cultures, different time zone, and ways of working make the team the team work harder. So that is your first challenge. Then you will have definitely this is a geopolitical risk, which means that there is legal and political uncertainty. So when rules change from country to country, and politics can mess your plan. And then you will have a supply chain disruption, which means that when there is shipping delays, when there's unpredictable logistic, and sudden disruption can slow things down. So these are the challenges or the complexity you will face when you are going global, right? Then you will have definitely some benefits. And the benefits, the first one is scale economy, which is your cost efficiency, which means that that is your cost saving. Bigger scale mean cheaper production and better efficiency. Then you will have access to the global talent, mean talent access, which means you can hire scale people from anywhere in the world. So the big question that do the benefits of going global outweigh the extra complexity and risk? So this is your question. Now let's move on to the slide number 7. And this slide, we will discuss that